Is your microwave caked with stubborn, splattered food? I know. Scrubbing it is the worst. But what if I told you there's a super easy, no scrub hack to get it sparkling clean? All you need is a microwave-safe bowl, some water, and a lemon. First, fill the bowl halfway with water. Then, cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the water. You can just toss the lemon halves in there too. Pop the bowl in the microwave and run it on high for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the water is boiling and the inside of the microwave is all steamy. Now for the magic part. Let it sit with the door closed for another 5 minutes. The steam will soften all that cooked on gunk. After that, just open the door, carefully remove the hot bowl, and wipe everything down with a cloth or paper towel. It'll come right off. No effort needed. Plus, your kitchen will smell amazing. Try it out and let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy life hacks. Thanks for watching.